the little hummingbird really embodies that spirit of doing the right thing, even if it's just me. And the idea that many in body can be one of mind, all of the other animals, when they see that this teeny tiny creature is exerting her all, doing her very best, like an arrow shooting at a target, they start wondering, well, what about me? What could I do? And when they realize that they can do something too, that empowerment of, I can help, I can do this, all of a sudden that unity that spreads like a ripple, gets into a wave, and a huge wave that can do something so masterful for the world.
On va un petit peu ouvrir. Ok, Gnocchi après la tapis, qu'est-ce que c'est là? En anglais.
Polluer.
To polluate, c'est polluer en français. Dans les deux langues.
Wow. All right, I'm going to hand you a black marker for the eyes. Hold this way. Push. And then flip it and hold on the red. That's great. Oh, wow. Are you telling her about your hummingbird? Great. They all look so different. Now you want to show them your bird?
I was very happy for our school to take part in this project because it's a wonderful way to give a voice to the children. Obviously the problem of water is one of emergency, and our generation has a lot to account for. It's a limited resource, water, and our generation has not done a great job of protecting it. And the planet that we're going to leave to these children, this is theirs now, and they have to start making their decision, and hopefully they make better decisions that we have.
The wings move so fast you can't even see them, right? Fly like a hummingbird to your cubby. Go get your coat. Show me your hummingbird wings. Show me those hummingbird wings. Fly to the cubby.
Yeah, because it was.
Yeah, I'm just walking around a bit.
Yeah, these are hummingbirds from around the world. Children from 21 countries have been creating them. And it's this idea that we had when we were doing the campaign for World Water Day this year. We wanted to inspire children to be able to make their own commitments, just as the delegates here are making their bigger commitments. It's absolutely crucial that we all take some sort of action, both on an individual level, but also on a global level. So that's what we're all here to do today.